Good morning and win today. I'm Royal Rainy and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. If you've not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Today, I have a lock tutorial for you. Aren't you guys excited? I am. Guys, as you can see, my hair is nice and clean. So I've already added all the products and all that stuff. So just gonna jump right into this. I'm just gonna do some plaits today. Nothing too extravagant or complicated, Nice and easy. So how should we start this? Let's start on this side. Okay guys, this is it. You can see that was simple and easy. My thumbs were burning me, but that's a part of the job. Just gotta deal with it, right? So this is what the sides look like. Back. So, and the good thing about braids like this, you can style the braids. So you don't have to leave it down like this. You can actually, you know, style these braids. You can make like a ponytail. You can, you know, be actually versatile. So that's what I did, and I'll be rocking this for the next few days. All right. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that we can catch up in the next video. All right. Love you guys so much, and bye.